Building projects are a new experience for most. Whether commercial or residential owners, many are unfamiliar with the architectural process and may start with some unrealistic expectations. In this video, we will go over 7 unrealistic expectations on a building project. Hi, I'm Dave Zarodnik, Vice President here at Newman Munson Architects. At Newman Munson, we work with building owners of all experience levels. We know building projects are a large undertaking, which is why we work to set clear expectations about budgets, schedule, and everyone's role in the design process. This video will discuss some common misconceptions about building projects and set realistic expectations, helping you prepare for your project. Often there's confusion about costs in the early stage of a project. While most owners account for professional design fees and construction costs, some are unaware of the additional costs associated with the project. These costs can include fees associated with such things as land acquisition, legal assistance, geotechnical testing, land surveys, building permit reviews, and builder's risk insurance, and much more. At the start of the design process, you will need to set a budget for your project costs to get a more realistic sense of your overall project budget. An architect can help you prepare a budget and determine what you can achieve with your available funds. When taking on their first project, many owners are unaware of the time it takes to design a building. Blame it on HGTV, but some think an architect can craft a design, draft plans, and bid a project within a few weeks. Generally, the architectural process is far more lengthy. Even on what may seem like a small, straightforward project, it can take at least 3 to 5 months to develop the design and create construction documents. The architect's workload, as well as the owner's ability to make decisions, will impact the timeline. Designing a quality building demands thorough research and planning, with decisions carrying long-term financial implications. Therefore, it's critical to allocate sufficient time to explore options. There's often misalignment between an owner's budget, schedule, and aspirations. Some anticipate high-quality results on a tight budget and schedule. Budget, schedule, and quality are interconnected like a three-legged stool. If one aspect is compromised, the project becomes unbalanced. Achieving a high-quality project on a tight budget requires extensive planning and a lengthened schedule. High-quality projects on a short timeline need the support of a large budget. Change orders are any addition, deletion, or substitution to a project scope after construction is underway. They can be a bit of a taboo subject in the world of construction. Those new to the construction process believe they will be able to avoid them. In truth, every project has some change orders, whether caused by errors and omissions in the contract documents, an unforeseen condition, or substitutions requested by the owner. Your architect should work to reduce change orders by guiding you through decision-making and implementing a thorough quality assurance process. Even with the most rigorous quality assurance measures, contract documents may still contain some errors and omissions, and construction can present unforeseen challenges. You and your architect should prepare for these situations by factoring contingencies into your budget. Typically, contingencies are larger on more complex projects with more unknowns, like a renovation project. Owners sometimes misunderstand the purpose of contingencies, viewing them as extra funds for project upgrades. In reality, contingencies are earmarked in the budget to address unforeseen conditions during construction. It's prudent to retain these funds until the project's completion, treating them as a form of insurance to keep the project within budget. Spending contingencies prematurely can pose a risk to the project's financial stability. Though architects are knowledgeable, they rely on a skilled team of engineers, contractors, tradespeople, and vendors to help make informed decisions. The architect's role involves asking questions, guiding clients, and leveraging the team's collective experience to find the best solutions. However, buildings are complex and issues may necessitate input from additional specialists. When problems arise, especially post-construction, Architects can facilitate communication and guide clients to resolutions, leveraging their network of resources to find solutions. Perfection is seldom attainable in building projects, as they involve human interaction and potential errors in design and construction. Budget and timeline constraints further limit the possibility of achieving flawless results. Your architect should establish realistic expectations regarding what can be achieved within these constraints. Unlike products built in controlled factory settings, buildings are constructed on-site under varying conditions, which may result in some degree of imperfections. Your architect and contractor strive to deliver the highest quality product, but some level of imperfection may be inevitable. Building projects are a large undertaking. Before working with an architect, it's important to research the process, ask questions, and establish realistic expectations about what you can achieve. By expecting the unexpected and holding on to contingencies, you can protect your budget and maintain your schedule. In our experience, it helps to understand each step of the process before starting a project. Learn more by clicking the link below to read about the 7 steps in the architectural process and the deliverables you can expect along the way. Thanks for watching.